that stomped? Who's making noise? Some veggies messing with my garden toys. I tap on a beat, and what do I hear? A giant neigh in my carrot ear. I poked a pea pod, it said bok bok. Then my tomato started to squawk. The broccoli burped, the turnip said bah.